at Wrapscon right now. If you're in the wrap industry, this is one of the events you need to attend. So I'll repeat that, you need to attend if you're in the wrap industry. This is one of the few, I guess, fully wrap industry related trade shows. So we're gonna go in, we'll show you guys around. Here today, our goal is to hopefully lock in a printer. We wanna get a printer for the shop, full digital printer. We wanna get some tools, we wanna re-up on our tools. We got a couple meetings. We're meeting with 3M, we're meeting with Avery, a couple other people that we're meeting with, so you'll see some of that. Let's go in there, let's see what's going on. Bro,
yeah, I will.
You got the little reverser?
It's really hard.
Yeah. You just push the button?
Yeah, look at it.
Hey, I need help today. You're gonna talk with me, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Talk about your side of it.
All right, guys, so I am also here too. I'm filming. Daniel wants to make sure I implement myself into, this is my first Wrapcon ever, and I actually have a badge right here. So we're gonna go. I'm excited to see, I don't know if this is a frame. I'm excited to see everything because I get to see them wrap every single day. Now I get to see the people make the material and all that cool stuff. Let's get in there.
I told Christian yesterday, it helps you better understand what we do. Even though you're not on the same side of it, you're not wrapping cars, you're not doing those things, but you get to better understand what we have going on, you know, so by learning.
You better film it.
Maybe. I don't know.
Hey, God willing, God willing.
I don't rap either. I'm just here for the meetings.
Hey, I heard there's free food. Yeah.
Is there?
I don't know. That's how you got me here.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that lie that I told you.
Oh.
This thing is amazing. So like I said, I've seen this car on Instagram, and it's the first thing I get to see when I walk in. Super dope. And then when you see it in person, way different than seeing it in photos. So it has like a chrome overlay. If you show them that, it just looks dope. The elements that are done in the wrap are the sickest wrap I've ever seen in my life.
Thank you so
much. So I seen it on Instagram, I think, yesterday.
Okay.
And then as soon as I walk in, it's the first thing I get to see. But dude, this thing is badass.
I appreciate
we
that.
mess with these things all the time, and I've been wanting to do something like this.
Yeah,
this is amazing.
It's a fun one for sure. Especially doing all the different layers and everything.
Right.
Like, it just makes it really custom.
And then the way you guys did that front bumper is just awesome.
Yeah, it turned out really good. Like even like right here, there's a fuse seat in here, and you can't like, you feel it, but you can't feel anything.
You guys killed it.
Yeah, and it just like totally looks like a part of the design, and like I love how like this kind of stuff lined up and everything.
Brandon, you guys killed it.
What's up, guys? Vinyl Vixen at Wrapscon Long Beach. We are at the NBM show, my favorite show of the year. This is an awesome sign and graphic show. We are revealing our Space Force Subaru from Wrapsesh. Check it out. Super awesome. This is a custom 3-layer design collaboration that we did with Glarb Designs over from Florida. Thank you, Glarb. So we actually have an embossed layer, which looks like a circuit board underneath, which is all kind of along the sides up here. You can kind of see it if you're in the right light. You catch it just right. So we have all that as our first layer, and then we did this full satin print on an Avery MP1105 EZRS, and then we did red chrome satin overlays on top as well. So super custom, really crazy. We're doing live demos all week, really fun. Check it out.
It looks amazing.
So walking in, seeing the Subaru, the first thing that we saw, I don't know if we're gonna be able to top that, because literally, I'm telling you guys, it's my favorite wrap I've ever seen in my life. So shout out to Wrapsesh. If you guys don't follow them on YouTube already, make sure you go subscribe to the channel. We'll have a link below. First time I ever met them, really cool people, and they did a really good job on the wrap. So thought that was dope. Like I said, we got a couple other cars we gotta go see, and it's gonna be really hard to top that one. So let's go see if we can find something equally as cool, because I know we're not gonna find something better. We all need something to get us going, you know? And I had mine, you know, so I think that's really cool. We kind of give back in a sense, you know? So it's just like doing what we do and wrapping and stuff. We're blessed, bro. We get to hang out and just play with cars. I mean, I grew up playing with model cars, you know? So we kind of just transitioned to big boy stuff, so.
But yeah, seeing your story was like, oh man, there's hope. Because like I always thought like you need some crazy loan,
right?
Some loan.
Still to this day, Premium is funded off of our own stuff. You know, we haven't got a loan, we haven't got any investors. We've had a lot of people ask, but I just like going at our pace, what our true organic growth is, you know? So I think we have that industry that we can do that, because it's all based off your skill and how much time you want to put in. You know? So if you keep putting in the time and your skills keep progressing, that'll pay the bills and that'll grow the company for sure. You know, that's dope. Well, I'm honored, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
honored.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
take
you.
care, brother. Have a good one. Wow, that's crazy.
I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's like actual looks like the wood.
I love it, dude. This is crazy. Never seen anything like this. Never met this guy.
Jaguar?
What's up, brother? How are you?
You are like Daniel or something like that.
Something like that. I don't know. Casey was at our shop yesterday. Absolutely killed it. So you guys should be familiar with him by now because you've already seen the other vlog. But look what he's doing. And what can you tell us about what you guys have going on here?
All right, the concept for this wrap here in the 3M booth at Wrapscon this year was, I love the old Chris Craft Garwood woody boats from back in the day, where they're all wood and chrome and steel and different textures.
Right.
You know? So I found this picture online of an old boat cruising down the water, and it's just like, that's it.
The wood looks legit. It looks so crazy.
It seriously turned out way better than I thought it would.
Is that printed on a actual white film printed, or is that copper with something over it?
That is a 3M 1080 satin canyon copper.
Got it.
Printed with a wood pattern I created.
Okay.
Real quick and easy. I kind of skewed it a little bit to follow body lines. Desaturated it, took the color of it down to like 20%. So it's just kind of ghosted.
Yep. And then that laminate brought it to life.
Laminate, gloss, bam.
That's amazing, dude.
People have just been freaking out over it today.
How's it going?
Welcome to the 3M booth at Wrapscon 2019.
Oh, absolutely. He's the voice of 3M.
There you go.
Speak up. Talk to the camera.
Yeah.
Just get here.
We did. We got here about 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. We walked through it.
Are you doing any competing or anything?
I wish. We got a couple meetings that we're doing, so we're kind of running around today. But excited to be here. So we're gonna hang over here real quick. We're gonna watch John do an install on the taillights. John is the owner of Lux. Lux is a brand that we started using at the shop. People were talking about it for the longest time, saying you need to try Lux, you need to try Lux. We finally got a sample, and then after the day that we got the sample of the material, we never turned back. We had to use it, we stock it all the time. It's a very, very easy product to tint taillights with. So John's gonna demonstrate it, and hopefully it'll bring value to you guys. How are you? Good, man.
What's up, brother?
Keep going, let them do their thing. The Lux tint film is amazing. I'll tell you guys that right now. So we highly endorse that film already. We hope to have it on our website because, like I said earlier, I know a lot of you guys shop on our site looking for these products. So we've been working to deal with Lux. I think we're going to secure it on Monday, so he's going to come by. Hopefully we can lock that in because I think it's a good product for you guys. It's super easy to install. I don't have to tell you guys, you know. Talk about. Give me the camera, bro. Alright, so another thing we should talk about here at Wrapscon, one of the big things for us is going to be able to see some of the new colors coming out, and we're over here at the Tech Wrap booth. We haven't really installed Tech Wrap at our shop, but I know a lot of people are starting to. What's cool about it is they got a really dynamic, that's the only word I can come up, color range. They're just dope colors. Look at this blue, super vibrant, some of the pinks, the teals that are behind us. exciting to see. So you guys are getting insight to the future of wraps in a sense, because these are colors that we will be installing in the future, and it kind of gives you an idea of maybe what you want to wrap your car in. Happening here in a more compact size. You guys happy?
Just depending on what are you looking to do? What applications? That way I can kind of get an idea.
We sell a lot of stuff online, so we create little decal packages, and so we're looking for nice clarity, vibrant graphics. Same stuff that you would look for in a car wrap, just a smaller scale. We're looking to buy a printer this weekend. So I'm just trying to figure out who I'm going to buy from. Print cut and then a laminator. Do you guys sell the whole package, or are you guys only selling the
we're
printer?
just the manufacturer,
Gotcha.
so we don't even sell direct, we sell through
Gotcha.
dealers now.
Okay,
So.
got it. Very cool. What up?
You see the future of wrapping going towards the print?
I do. So, like I said, when we walked in and I saw that Subaru, I'm so excited about it because I love Subarus and we wrap a lot of those, and you guys know that. But on top of it, it had a wrap the direction I want to go. So having a amazing graphic artist like Christian in our shop has opened up the capabilities to do things like that. So that's why we're looking at getting a printer so we can be that shop providing that service where we're able to do those very, very wild, crazy graphics, this next level stuff like you see here, where that looks like a circuit board, because these printers are capable of doing that. So that was our big goal for coming out today, was finding a printer, hopefully going home with one or having one sent to us sometime soon.
No, this would be sent to us.
Yeah, sent to us, because
Yeah,
I don't
I'm
think
not
that's going
carrying
to
this
fit
thing out
your
of here,
truck.
bro.
Yeah, it'd be a little heavy, but yeah, that's the direction we're going. So I do see a lot of the auto restyling industry going to the print world. Color change that we do, standard color change, we're known for that. It's awesome. It's really, really cool. But people are demanding more, and I think this is the direction it's going. So we're going to go with you guys. That's so dope, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Well, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
You just recently, or I guess somewhat recently, moved into a new shop, right?
Yep.
How's that going? The last
Going
video
good.
I saw, you're like hammering and knocking it all
Yep,
out. So.
yep. That was this guy killing it. But yeah, man, it's been an uphill battle moving into a new shop and trying to start your business. But the problem that we had is we pre-booked everything before we knew we were gonna move.
Yeah.
So it's like trying to keep the flow going, keep wrapping, and build out the business kind of stuff.
Yeah, no,
But we're going through it. We're
That
getting there.
makes sense.
As we talk to people, as we go through, and we kind of hear people's stories.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cool stuff like that. You know, I think we all come from the same cloth. We're all hustlers. You know, in some way, somehow, we kind of worked our way into the industry that we wanted to be in.
Yeah.
And that's a really cool
Yeah,
story.
mine's been, so I do a lot more commercial. So we still do a lot of color change, but just in like where we're at, small town Dayton, it used to be a big like GM, like big auto factory. That whole thing collapsed. Everyone just had to figure out a way. So it's like, out of anywhere I've ever been in the country, there's so many small businesses in our area. It's ridiculous. So
you can really work with them.
yeah, and it's my passion, honestly, is to talk with other business owners.
Right.
So, like, all day, every day. That was another thing from lawn care of, like, I'm just the guy that cuts the grass, to now it's guys coming in. His business is his baby. He's got, like, one or two trucks, and he's like, I want to do, obviously, something. They're on a budget, but they're trying to figure something out. So that conversation is great. Because they're coming in,
I
they're
love
like...
the wrap industry for that sense, dude. Is we get to connect with business owners all the time.
Yeah.
Even on the color change side, most of the people that can afford our service own businesses. You know, so same with you. When you're printing these commercial graphics, you're putting yourself in line with a bunch of entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
You know, and it's just a good feeling because it helps keep you motivated.
Yeah.
You know, and that really drives me a lot. A lot of our customers, we get to meet them and we want to know more about them. You're like, how'd you do this? Because I can't afford to go give somebody $4 grand to wrap my car.
Right.
You know what I mean? But they can. So it's really cool.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Well, thank you for you guys' time. Pleasure talking to you.
Yeah, take
Thank
care, man.
you.
Have a good one.
And then this is, I guess, your D-Rock. If you're
This is my D-Rock right
okay.
here.
Absolutely.
If you want to say what else in the vlog, you want to shout your shop out, anything, Instagram, put it on if you're good with it.
Okay, yeah. So I'm Andrew with Performance Wraps in Dayton, Ohio. Been following Premium for a long time. They're setting the bar high, trying to catch them. So thank you. See ya.
Safe travels back home.
Absolutely.
That's dope. That's really dope. I love meeting people here. You know, and I think it helps me because when he said that and he's talking about meeting other business owners, that's like a good thing for us and what we do, because we have to constantly align ourselves with people who are doing better. And I tell everybody that, it's like, how can you align yourself with people who are doing better than you? Our customers are typically coming in and they're doing better than me and us around us because they can afford to do these type of things to their vehicles, and it's something to aspire to be. So in the wrap shop, you get to meet a lot of cool, unique individuals, and it's just a great networking place. So don't forget that if you own a shop. Here's what we want to do. One of our big things is we've been doing coaching for so long, and we love doing that. But we want our clients to want more. They only want what they
You can show them what you're showing there.
Exactly.
So I will give you one of these books, but can you do me a favor and can you post about it, can you tag your wraps, and then if you do it on your
Do you guys want to talk about your stuff on YouTube?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So I'll just recap real quick because we kind of just jumped into it. A couple vlogs ago, you've seen us wrap a BRZ, and I've talked about having somebody print it for us. These are the guys that did it for us. They did an amazing job. Like I told you guys, amazing customer service, amazing turnaround times, and amazing finish. So everything that you would want in working with a partner, they were. So they did everything we needed, got us the print that we needed in time and even faster than we needed it. We got the project done, the customer's happy, we got paid, they got paid, everybody's happy. So
We're all happy.
Yeah, so we print wraps.
Yep. So basically, we print wraps, we're all about customization. So if you have a customer that just wants that hot new print on their exotic car or any type of vehicle, you can actually sell them printed wrap. Any type of carbon fiber, camo, wild colors, we can do. And we just came out with our Wicked and Wild swatch book, which is amazing because these are the hottest, exotic, bright, fun colors, including like some dirty camo, grungy camo, and then like the jumbos. Any one of the camos can be customized. So basically, if you want like a big print for camo, we can make the print really big. We can change the colors on the camo, and we ship all over the USA and Canada. So hooking you guys up with the book today.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Walked through Wrapscon with us. It was an amazing event. We got to see a lot of people that we were networking with, people that we've been trying to connect with. So that was one of the big things here. Is how do we get to the people that we've been trying to get in contact with?
Yeah.
And we did it. So it's a successful event. If you're in the wrap world, you should definitely come to Wrapscon. That's all. We're gonna go check in our hotel and have dinner tonight. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.